Just thought I'd give him a quick spin on the old ball before that weather comes in. It looks a bit black over there. We'll go that way, Marv, I think, across the sun. There goes Marvy. Good girl. Come on in. Pip's there. Digging in. Pip is. Good girl, Marv. What you got? Come on. Pip ain't bothered, mate. Marv, get a ball. He's dropped it, the muppet. Get a ball, Marv. Where is it? What are you doing? Get a ball, you muppet. Get a ball, Pippy. He's dropped it here, so it's getting that long. There'll be silage in this in a minute. Not in a minute, a couple of days. Pip, come here. Pip, come here. What's up with you? Why didn't you bring it back like you used to? Leave it, leave it. Come here. Leave it. You bugger. If you want it, you've got to get it before Marv gets it. Ready? Go on then. Oh, if I can run it. Pip's picked it up. Marv, leave it. Good girl, Pip. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. She thinks Marv's going to nick it, I think. Leave it. Leave. Girl. Right. One more before the rain comes, I reckon. Ready? It's a big one. Hold her on it. Oh, I've got it. It'll probably have a big tear up now. Go on in. Go on in. Marv keeps looking behind her to see where she is, and then she accelerates. Oh, dropped it. She's got it back. Come on, Marvy. Good girl. Get a Pip. That'll do, man. I think knacker 'em out. Hey up. Watch me. A pair of racehorses coming past.